Hello and welcome to a short video about our newly made SEO extension. We call it the sixth Man SEO extension. My name is Arthur and I will guide you through it today. So first thing you have to do obviously is install it in the Chrome Web Store. Since you're seeing this video, this shouldn't be an issue. So just edit, then try to fix it to the bookmark bar and then open it. And once you open it, you will see a lot of different things. First off, the title of the page. Obviously, I mean, we always want this to perfectly reflect what we want to do on the page. In this case, we are a freelance digital marketing team on demand, so that's what it says here. And we also have our brand at the end separated by a pipe. We have a meta description, which is a good thing. We have the URL, and the canonical URL is the same one, so it's self-referencing, very important to check. I didn't give any keywords, but that's not a relevant practice anymore. You can see the heading structure. You can see we have 1H1, 6H2s, and 35H3s. So that's really nice. We have 72 images and 131 links. There's a robot tag missing. So that's good because we want this to be indexed. Voilà. Then we have keywords. So let's say we want to go for product. You can see it has not been found. If we go for products, it's been referenced 3 times, so 0.12%. If you would go for team, you can see we appear 19 times in 2,469 words. It's found in the title tag, in the meta description, but not in the URL, which is in this case not an issue because we want to rank for the brand name, sixth man, and then you will see it is in the URL. So here you have the overview, and then you see it's 1 time referenced in an H2. Then we have the headings and the heading structure, so we can clearly see how the page is built. We have all the links, internal and external, and you can exclude header and footer. So this way you can see very clearly which link is set where, and have a bit more of an idea, especially in blog content, whether something is linked to or not, because you always have a lot of links in the navbar and in the footer. So for your analysis, you want to exclude that. You can also export it to CSV by just clicking it, and there you have it all ready. Then, we get to images. You can see all the images, the ones with alt text and the ones without. So in this case, we have a bit of work. You can see which ones they are. There you go, no alt text. And you also see that there are large images detected. So images with more than 100 kilobytes, which is above what is advised. We also can see schema. So in this case, we have organization and website schema. And also we have the Twitter card available. So if you would have product, for example, in e-commerce, that would show here as well. And then we have an LLM check. So we try to make a geo score, which is approximately shows what it should be. So we have a reading level, we have readability, the amount of words per sentence on average, and the amount of words. You can see we have lists, we have statistics and numbers, we have questions, we have dates, we have external links. We don't have any tables here, and we don't have any quotes here. You can see there's no author information, which makes sense, obviously, on a home page. There's no published date and no last modified date, also makes sense. No FAQ, no how-to schema, and no article schema, which are very useful things to put in blog or service pages, for example. So these are the things you can do with our extension. In case you have any suggestions for us to improve it, please let us know. And if you like it, leave a review. Thank you.